In this second section of the HMBP, we are going to review the Business Owner Operator page. During your annual certification, you must review your plan and verify this information is correct. This is critical information to ensure that the business can be contacted in the event of an emergency and that your compliance documentation is sent to the correct person. Log in at the sign-in page, then check your basic facility information is correct. If not correct, update these locked fields by filling out the update form here. Please note that if the business owner changes or if the business moves to a different address, you will typically need to register for a new account to enter this data. Contact your inspector. This update form provides the current information and asks you what you would like to change on the right side. Click Submit at the bottom of the page. If everything looks good when you log in, click on Step 2, Proceed to Forms. Click on Hazardous Materials Business Plan. Click on the site address to enter your data. Click on Business Owner Operator to proceed to the form. Note the tabs across the top for navigation through this form. You must complete all tabs with items marked with an asterisk before saving. Otherwise, an error will appear at the top and your data will not be saved. Be sure to check that each time you save. Starting with identification, verify any information already provided and then enter some new information. Do not use dashes in the phone numbers. Do use a 6-digit NAICS code. If you click on the blue underlined words, it'll give you a link to look up your code. Provide the operator name. This is the name of the person who is operating the facility. This is not usually an LLC or a business name. Provide an email. The owner of the business is a locked field. If incorrect, fill out the update form. This entity should be the owner of the business responsible for hazardous materials on site. It may be an LLC, not necessarily a person's name. Note that the legal business owner and property owner are often two separate entities. If the business is leasing the building or land, add the property owner information in the designated tab. Provide the business owner mailing address. Add the facility mailing address. You can automatically insert it using one of these links. The billing address is locked, but you can update a phone number or email address for this person. To change the address, use the update form covered at the beginning. The environmental contact is critical because this person will be receiving inspection reports and compliance communication. The email address must be accurate. Note that permits and invoices are sent to the billing address. The emergency contact section is also critical. The primary and secondary emergency contacts are people who can make decisions for the facility, like how to respond to an emergency, implement the HMBP, and also have access to the facility. There must be 2 people listed. We request that there should be 2 different 24-hour phone numbers listed. This ensures that if one phone number fails to function, the second phone number will reach someone. Provide the property owner information. At minimum, provide the name. State and locally collected information. If you have any additional documents to upload, you can add them here. These fields are not required. Please be aware of the certification statement. The name of the signer must be a person who has the authority to sign for the business. Click Save Changes when the form is complete. Do not leave the page yet. Return to the top of the page and check for an error, typically in large, bold text. Your information will not be saved if an error is present. If no errors are present and your changes have saved, proceed to Chemical Description section. Thanks.